चौथीची माझी जिवलग मैत्रीण अदिती अनिल पिसे हिला मी भाषण करण्यासाठी निमंत्रित करते. आज ते आपल्याला इंग्रजीतून आयला देवी होळकर यांच्याविषयी माहिती सांगणार आहे. जोरदार टाळ्यांनी स्वागत करूया. Respected teachers, parents and my dear friend, my name is Aditi Anil Pise. I am in standard 4. My school name is ZP School Kuchekarwadi, Tehsil Atpadi, District Sangli. Today we are here to celebrate our Independence Day. Wishing you a very happy Independence Day. Today I am going to tell something about Maharani Rajmata Ahilyadevi Holkar. So I am request to all of you to keep silence and cooperate me. Rajmata Ahilyadevi Holkar was born on 31 May 1725 in the village of Chaundi, Tehsil Jamkhed, District Ahmednagar. Punyashlok Ahilyadevi Holkar married Khanderao Holkar. Khanderao Holkar, son of Mallarrao Holkar. Punyashlok Ahilyadevi Holkar remains a role model. I take a leave. Jai Hind, Jai Maharashtra. Thank you.